the patient is now telling his issues to the nurse, and the nurse is going to listen that, and then our doctor is going to come in. Okay, just see how he's. Look at this man. The animations are so perfect. It's not even looking like you're doing something like engineering. So this is the thing happening. Okay, here we have a patient at the kiosk. Okay, when done, he is processing something. Okay, oh my goodness, he is escorted by the nurse to the weighing scale, and the weighing has been performed. Now the process of weighing is taking the time as per what we just mentioned, but I need to understand how is this man created in Flexsim simulation environment, and that is really creepy, right? She just popped out from somewhere. That was quite interesting, but it looks like there's what I can say, a director's visit in the hospital randomly looking for some of the invariabilities. But that's great. We have director also into our hospital now. Let me know in the comment section, how does this lady or this ma'am appeared in our simulation environment? It's going to be a viral chat on our Leansimcorp video. Okay, so running this, our token is here now. The processing is done at the weighing scale. Okay, let's see, the weighing has been performed. Okay, and then I'll just make this somewhat faster. Okay, it's about to be done, and now the escort person details are getting tracked. Now let me know why has this error received. Okay, what this error says. Now we are going to understand how to debug the errors as well in this today's and upcoming videos of the tutorials. Okay, rather than just having that clear and crystal. Okay, now what is it saying? Resource weigh at scale has not been acquired at bed placement in the process flow. You get this? So it's acquired scale is what we've been having. A person is a person been taken care of. If I just have a look at this token, we have nothing here. Okay, we have really nothing here. Talking about the destination also, where we need to just go, is also into your top area. You get me? This is called destinations. So that's a problem. We copied it from the top, and hence it's giving a problem. We need to go to the acquired examination table, right? And the acquired RN is what the person is going to be? No, it is supposed to be this acquired RN2. The references are wrong, and hence we are going to have these errors. Saving the simulation model, running it again, the door opens, our person comes in. Okay, here comes the person, does his entries, comes to the weighing scale. Okay, oh, now great. Now the person has went to our bed, right? And the processing has been done. The patient is now telling his issues to the nurse, and the nurse is going to listen that, and then our doctor is going to come in. Okay, just see how he's. Look at this man. The animations are so perfect. It's not even looking like you're doing something like engineering. And now here comes the MD doctor. The ma'am has arrived, and she is now checking the person, the patient here. Okay, the processes are done. You see how the process flow is created and so easy. 30 minutes on an average time it is. Okay, the doctor has also gone now. Okay, the stop has went off. And here you see that the nurse is just typing in the prescription for that patient, and that's looking quite great. And the doctor standing nearby is telling that what has to be done in here. Okay, also using the mouse, guys, just look at this. It's so clear and crystal, the simulation and the graphics. So here it is, our process is ongoing. The doctor is telling what to give a prescription for, and the support system nurse is just typing that in there. Okay, she's really requiring a hell lot of time to put in the prescription there for the patient. The patient is still waiting in the bed there in a hope of something better to happen, right? And now the nurse will go to the patient with the prescription probably. Yeah, the doctor is now available for the next job. Now our nurse is going from the tables, miraculous, and then visiting the patient. Now the patient is given the details. Patient has get down from the bed and now has been escorted to the table, to the door outside. And this is how the process is done. Just look at this process flow, guys, from the top. To summarize what we learned in today's tutorial is that we learned about groups, we learned about debugging, we learned about scripting, we learned about how to understand problem, but the solution for that. We find out how to reference the resources, single resource being created and then referencing it for the multiple purposes in the process flow. You can add multiple resources now in here, okay? Not a big deal. I'll just make that 20, and the same process flow works for all. Let's see. Okay, we have this. The kiosk is only one, so the only one person will be acquired. Okay, the patient has been taken care. Okay, great. Now see what's happening, guys. What's happening, right? Now tell me, what is the problem? Why we didn't have multiple persons available? Because we haven't created the persons here. You see here, we haven't created a person. This is a person flow, and that is where a single token created the single person, and the same person is doing again and again the same jobs. Hence, this is not going to be helpful for us, and it has to be one. Let me know in the comment section how you can make the same process flow, modifying it for multiple patients coming in and waiting in this waiting area and then being accessed by our 2 staff members and 2 doctors. So our doctor system is very much highly utilized. Let me know what is that you need to put in this process flow, and that is what we are going to look into the next video of our tutorial sets. So stay tuned at Leansimcorp for such educational and exciting content. Do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for educational content and a lot more exciting. In the next video of our Flexsim tutorials on Wednesday evening, we are going to understand how to add transport and equipment objects, into the same process flow going ahead. And we're going to learn something more new in that process flow tutorial as well. So stay tuned with us and do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com. Bye-bye. Have a great day ahead and keep simulating. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You can access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation, tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.